legends and legacy. Things typically reserved for history and those that are long gone. But the Indian Motorcycle Wrecking Crew is a legacy carved in the here and now by legendary motorcycles and the men who ride them.
On the gas he goes, checkered flag waving, and it's going to be Troy Herfoss who takes the win.
In the 1950s, the original Wrecking Crew established this legacy aboard the Indian Scout, dominating flat tracks across America for more than a decade.
Up and around the outside at the line, getting the win.
These legendary riders wrote the original chapters of this historic racing story, making victory celebrations and #1 plates synonymous with the Wrecking Crew name.
Here comes Troy Herfoss in his crown 2024 Mission King of the Baggers Champion.
In 2017, a new Wrecking Crew was born, as Indian Motorcycle re-established its dominance in American flat track racing aboard the FTR 750.
Tyler coming after it. O'Hara getting the win.
This modern Wrecking Crew delivered 8 Grand National Championships, led by the sport's most decorated rider, Jared Meese. Now, in 2025, a new chapter begins aboard the Indian Challenger with the first Indian motorcycle bagger racing Wrecking Crew, building on 3 King of the Baggers championships and poised to add to the dominant legacy that has been written for more than 75 years. Introducing the 2025 Indian Motorcycle Wrecking Crew. Reigning King of the Baggers champion, Troy Herfoss. 2-time champion, Tyler O'Hara. And MotoGP veteran, Loris Baz. The Indian Motorcycle Wrecking Crew. History is now.